Right. Today I am going to replace these old broken drop targets on a Gottlieb Spiderman game and kind of show you what's involved with that. You can see these are, they're broken. The ends are broken off, some of them. They're supposed to kind of look like that. They're really dirty, full of grease, and being broken is really the big problem. So there's 5 there. There's 3 over here, even though it's made for 4, there's only 3. And again, these are not in very good shape. And what I've got is a brand new set of targets right here and here. So I am going to show you how that comes off. So first, I've taken one screw out. I'm going to take this one out, and then these 2 down here. This back plate should come off, and I should have access. So those screws are all out. It takes a little bit of jiggling because it's kind of tight in here. But now I can simply take this plate off with the switch intact, wires intact. I'm just going to let this float around down here. And now you can see the state of these drop switches, drop targets. So they are a little bit tricky. There is a spring for each one that ties here, so that when the big lever goes up, the targets go up, like so. And then they drop once balls kind of hit them. But again, you can see these are in pretty bad shape. The bottoms are broken right off. So not much to do but to replace them. And that's kind of how you get to them. I decided to make my life a little easier. I removed the other 2 screws holding the target assembly on. And then I have full access, to replacing these targets, making sure I don't mess any of the wires up. So this makes it a lot simpler. So here's the old targets. You can see kind of how they are, how black they are and dirty. There's the nice new shiny ones. So I just took the springs off of these ones, moved them over here. You can see the springs kind of go from a flat side to a 90 degree on each side so that they can be installed back into the game. Here we go. New targets are in. The only tricky part was getting the spring hooks kind of around where they go so that they don't fall off and down into the machine. So you can see the mechanism certainly looks better. The targets are there. I'm gonna put her back together and see how it looks. So there, I have it all nicely cleaned, nicely reassembled. And you can see at least, I had to put a new solenoid in that was burnt, and I have to redo the transistor on the board. That'll be another part of the video. But you can see the whole mechanism works pretty nice and smoothly. Triggers all of the switches, maybe except for this one. I gotta work on that one a little bit. But yeah, there, they're all in the locked up position. Kind of coming around here, I can drop them all back down. Bingo!